Okay, for the next session, so we have done with the unknown concentration problem with Dr. Sivaranjana ma'am. Now next step is to do hands-on session on spoken tutorial. We have got spoken tutorial on gravimetric analysis, which Sivaranjana ma'am was just speaking about. So now we will go to the spoken tutorial page again. We will do the hands-on session again. Please open your VLabs interface and the spoken tutorial and do side-by-side method. So I will open and show. You all also continue along with me. So from now on, for next 30 minutes, you will be doing the tutorial gravimetric analysis and also complete the assignment along with it. So it is the last tutorial in the series gravimetric analysis. Kindly click and make it side by side and open the VLab interface. So go to File, Load Homework, Quantitative Analysis, Gravimetric Determination of Arsenic. Welcome to this book. I'll stop sharing. I have stopped sharing so that your screen, my screen is not seen. So I have stopped sharing. You can continue the tutorials. Gravimetric analysis.
Maybe someone can explain the assignment after maybe 5 minutes once all the participants do this gravimetric analysis tutorial. Xavier sir, the assignment is interesting. You can explain to participants the design of the experiment, the assignment. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So we'll wait for another maybe 5 minutes and then Xavier sir will explain the assignment. So participants, I think most of you have done the tutorial, completed the tutorial. And at the end of the tutorial, you would have seen one assignment which says that, let me read out that. Using gravimetric analysis, we have to design an experiment to find the amount of salt present in a bag of chips. Okay, so we don't have bag of chips in the VLabs. We don't have any such thing. So we have to. We just asked you to write down. Like what can be the possible. How will you go about doing this experiment? Because bag of chips has so much of sodium chloride in it. Okay, so if you want to know that if one small packet of chips, how much salt it has, so how you go about doing the actually design the experiment for it. So I think Xavier sir, is ready. So sir, whenever you are ready, you please, come online and then you can, present your work. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, sir. Yes, you can. Yes. Yeah.
I don't know whether it is correct or wrong. If I'm wrong, correct me.
No problem, sir. Please proceed. Yeah.
And normally we do something with the soil samples. Whenever we want to do analysis on soil samples, we try to dissolve the soluble salts present in the soil in water. The same way we can do that. Here we have 170 milligrams per packet. That's what I got it from the net. Lays, I hope. 170 milligrams per packet of chips. It has 170 milligram of sodium chloride present in it. So again, we can wash it with water. We can get the sodium chloride dissolved in water, so that we will get a sample of that particular bag, and as well the sodium chloride dissolved in water, and as well we can take the known volume of it, and we can go for again gravimetric analysis with AgNO3 by adding drop by drop. So we can get the number of grams precipitated, and or else we can get the number of moles. So from there, using the volume we have taken, you can find out number of moles per liter. So that's what I feel. I don't know whether it is right or wrong.
Correct, sir. Exactly. Yeah, that's how you have to do. So,
Thank you.
yeah. We just wanted something different to give because there were no other chemicals in the load homework for that
Yes.
particular problem. So we thought this is more practical. Even you can ask your students to do in the lab also. They should
Lab
know how
also.
much salt they are consuming.
Yes.
So Lay's packet you can make, wash all the chips in
Water.
known amount of water, known amount, and then take a little bit of that, and then you can precipitate with silver nitrate.
Yes.
Yeah,
Thank
that
you.
is exactly
Assuming-
correct, sir.
Assuming that there is no other halide in that. That assumption would be there. no?
I mean, sodium chloride is generally mixed with, you mean it's mixed with
Some other halides also might be there.
magnesium,
Yeah,
magnesium or
Ma'am?
yeah.
Impurities of
Assumption has to be
magnesium bromide and some
Yeah,
other-
Snehlata ma'am.
Yes,
May
yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
as I means what I'm feeling, it is containing oil also. So what if we burn and then we dissolve in water?
I think in what anyway, oil doesn't come in water. So if we wash the chips and filter it out once, I think it should take care. Yeah,
Ma'am,
people
it's flow. It will float on water. So what if means we can try just like we can try this thing. What
yeah.
if
You
we
can
burn
suggest
and then
actually.
we dissolve?
Yeah. It is a very open-ended question. That's what. So you please all of you try and give your own suggestions. So
Ma'am, I think if
yeah,
we put,
absolutely.
excuse me, ma'am, if we'll put
Yes.
silver nitrate in that and then we weigh silver chloride, nothing will come out. Silver chloride is white. Oil will not interfere.
That is true. Actually, that's what even or else you can
That will
filter out.
change
It
the
may
concentration, I believe.
Only chloride will be precipitated. No,
Yeah, with silver
Other things
that
will be
white PPT.
Ma'am, but volumetric analysis, if we are doing, then that will change the concentration, I believe, because 1 ml is equals to 2 drops consider. So I believe that means what I'm thinking. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't, but maybe it will interfere as I'm thinking.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
In the actual, hello.
Yes, ma'am. Proceed, ma'am. This is open for discussion. All of you can give your suggestions.
Actually,
and,
in the gravimetric, only solid we are taking out. So only chloride will be precipitated, and other things will remain in the solution.
Yes, ma'am, you are correct. Actually, yeah.
yes.
Exactly, ma'am, you're right.
Sir, this I think we should actually. It's good thing that everybody is giving out good answers. Thank you all.
Yeah, we have time till 4 o'clock for discussion actually, because
Yeah.
another session starts at 4. Please, all of you give if you have anything new to tell, if you have anything new experiment, or you can design a new experiment with whatever is available. So we'll be so happy, So you can share with all the participants. if you have
Excuse me, ma'am,
anything
we
new.
can take
Yes.
IV solutions. We can take IV solutions also which are available in the market. And we can find out.
IV solutions. Yeah, anything unknown chloride, like what is, it can be chips, it can be any other food items, whatever, make the children more interested in the experiment.
We can take our vegetable also, cooked vegetable.
Yeah, anything, any food item. So they will be interested to, this will make them more interesting than
We're more curious about that.
chloride, tell them to weigh and do the experiment. Not good, make them interested in it.
Excuse me, ma'am. I want to say something.
Yes, ma'am.
With the salt, even silver iodide will be precipitated.
I think that the most
To be
sparingly
particularly-
soluble of all of them is silver chloride only. So I think
Soluble is silver chloride.
soluble is silver chloride in that
Sir,
full
online
list
with
of
yellow PPT.
halides.
Hello.
Ma'am, and as well, chips bag is the right choice actually. Because the children are more interested in that, so that we can give awareness to
Exactly, sir. That's why that's the whole idea when I designed that assignment also. I had the same.
them. Where I am living now, no, here the children take in the breaks only chips packets. So that is better to give them this experiment hand-on. Let them find out what they are eating. So, like that will be best.
Yes, sir. This will be a very nice project for them. Okay, so
Thank
they'll
you.
all bring one.
Question. Shall I ask?
Yeah.
I want to know about the spoken tutorials. That it is an open source for all of us. That is why
Yes,
you
yes.
introduced.
It is open source, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. I just wanted to know. Like I have just now searched all these things.
Yeah. It is open source. It's if you are seeing online, it's free of cost, ma'am.
Okay, so
Seeing
no
online?
login, nothing, no number, no password, nothing is required.
No registration is required.
No registration is
Just
required.
yeah. No registration if you are simply watching it.
And I think it is good to introduce in the school. It's a very nice thing. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, Sneha ma'am, you started to say something about online version of interface.
Yes, ma'am,
If I
yes,
remember, you started to say something.
Yeah. I wanted to tell you online collective virtual labs also, which is there on the interface, but you need continuous for that. Now, whatever you are doing is you are downloading the offline version and using. You don't need internet at all when you're working on collective labs. But if it is not possible, if any student they cannot download, the system is not supporting, there is an online version also. So that's what I wanted. So if many of you want, I will show. There is time till 4 o'clock.
Yes, Nilata. Yes, open and show once, no, so that they will get a feel about it.
Okay, yeah. I will do that. So let me share my screen.
For some time, you can unmute all of them. Maybe I will unmute.
So when you're looking for Chem Collective, just type Chem Collective in Google search. Okay, Chem Collective Virtual Lab comes. So you see a drop down like this. So click on the first one. Okay. So it's actually sometimes it takes to the home page like this. Okay, this is the home page of Chem Collective. There are a lot of open educational resources here in the Chem Collective home page. Actually, this is a home page. I clicked on home. Okay, so there are lots of resources. You will see resource by topic. There is stoichiometry, all chemistry topics, stoichiometry, very basic thermochemistry, all are listed here. Okay, and by resource type, we have virtual labs which we are using now. There are auto-graded problems. There are tutorials. All you can explore all of them. They are so useful. Particularly the concept tests are very nice. You can give it to your students. So let me first click virtual labs. So this is what we were doing. We were downloading the offline version. Okay. So when you click on offline, you have for Windows, and then you have a lot of other languages. I don't see Hindi here, but there are a lot of other languages. I was checking if we have anything Indian language, but I did not find. So it's not there. So it's okay. So we have for Mac version also. This works for Linux also. So we clicked and then you all installed. So let me go back again to this page. Okay, so if we cannot download and if for any reason it's not working offline version, you can still use virtual labs online. How you can do? So here they are. Okay, you just click whichever, like for example, thermochemistry. We did a lot of problems. We did coolant problem, coolant 1, coolant
Coffee
2
problem.
There is a coffee problem. So we did coffee problem. Let's go. Okay, so there is an introductory video and support information also. If you click on that, okay, so you will have this video which click on this. So it will just go through all the features that are available in the virtual lab. Okay, So then all the features, it will take you, it will show you all the features. Okay, this video. Okay, then it says that if you have any technical trouble, you can email. Okay, there is a this thing available also, help available also. Okay, so you can do that. All right. So let me go back so you can watch that. Actually, it opens in a different tab. I close the tab. So this interface is slightly different from the offline version. So instead of having a center panel, a left panel, a right panel, we have one working canvas here, the workbench here, where you can do all the experiments. And there is solutions here, glassware here, and tools here. The arrangement is different, but all things are same. We have the problem description, which is on the extreme right hand top, okay, corner. So problem description comes here, okay, instead of in the left hand side, it comes on the right hand side top. Okay, so you can read the problem description, and all the solutions are available. So if you click on solutions, it's already by default open. We have distilled water, we have coffee, we have milk. Glassware, we have all Erlenmeyer, we have graduated cylinders, we have everything, same thing what we have done. Okay, what we have in the offline version, everything is there. And tools, we have Bunsen burner and we have a scale. Okay, so everything what is required for this particular experiment is available. Everything is available. You can start doing it. You can bring your coffee, you can bring your just go again to you can bring your milk, go to stock room again, you can bring your glassware. Let me click on beaker, actually beakers. Okay, we have 250 ml, we have 600, exactly like what we have there, we have here also. Okay, then same again, we have the pour methods. We have to simply pour, just bring it there, and it comes like this, slightly different, but anyway. Okay, so we can pour 100 ml, pour, okay, put it back. So whatever, how much ever milk you have calculated, 10 ml milk we can pour. I'm just simply doing randomly things, not exactly what has been said there in the problem description. So pour again, pour 10 ml. Okay. Look at the temperature. I think it's, we have coffee at 95 degrees. So when we pour cold milk, so it's coming down temperature. Can you see that, all of you? So yeah. So, and thermal properties. If you want to insulate something, same thermal properties. We can insulate, then we can set the temperature. Okay. So like this, you can do every experiment. Okay, if you want to go back to a new experiment, just click on the website. And then we did a lot of solubility product dissemination, the temperature and solubility of salts, that also is there. So every experiment is there, many experiments are here. We have sodium chloride, potassium chloride, copper sulfate is there, potassium dichromate. So all the salts are also. So this online lab also works, oxidation reduction. We have reactions. The same chemical displacement reactions are there. So everything, whatever is there in the offline method is available in the online method also. Okay? And on top of it, you have so many other things. We can visualize simulations. We have concept tests. We have so many things available here, which is good for teachers. They can take from here. Lot of questions are there. So, and then yesterday I was telling about auto-graded problems. Okay, so we have auto-graded problems where you can check your answer. Okay, so I'm just giving you an answer. See here, there is a check. Okay, answer check. You write your procedure, type your final ml, how much you are adding, check. Okay? Then it gives. Okay, so this is what I want to show you. Actually, we are, ready for the next section. It's getting late if I don't stop. So I'll stop here. Madhuri, you can take over. Next talk is Usha. Okay. So, yeah, thank you. So let me stop sharing. I think Usha is there. So Usha's presentation. Madhuri, you take over, okay? So
Yes,
if you have
yes,
any
yes.
questions, I'll answer later. Yeah.
Okay, yes, yes.
Yeah, any questions are there? Still, I'll ask participants. I'll unmute all. Any questions, participants?
Oh, ma'am, mostly it is physical chemistry. Organic,
physical chemistry. Yes, I understand. There are
nothing
no.
is there. Yeah. For organic,
Physical, organic and inorganic. There are, but these are all very basic physical chemistry.
yeah, that's why.
In the school, at school level, we don't have real organic. A lot of organic. Till 10th, we don't have really.
Snehata ma'am,
Yes.
I just want to salute you for your efforts. The way you did it was so nice.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Maybe I'm elder than you.
Thank you for your blessings. Actually, you're elder to me. They are blessings to me. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, so nice. God bless you for all the effort. It's so good. Like at the age of 55, I am so enthusiastic. I want to do all these things in my school.
Please, ma'am, we will help you. Whatever help you require, we will do it. And I'll type my email address in the chat box. Me and Madhuri also will type. If you need any help, you can contact us anytime,
Sure,
ma'am.
sure, ma'am, sure.
The participants.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. You have been so kind. Thank you.
Yeah, we have to go out of our comfort level to do all these things. That I understand. The way you are doing, you are doing very comfortably.
But ma'am, it's only the question of practice. So once you get a hang of it, you will do more actually,
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you will easily get it. So my email ID, I have put it in the chat box. Madhuri also will put. So please contact us anytime, okay? If you need any more help.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
So yeah, thank you.